Hello Techies. As part of interview series, in this session, we will learn what are knowledge sources in Copilot Studio. In Microsoft Copilot Studio, knowledge sources are external or internal data repositories that our Copilot or AI agent uses to retrieve accurate, contextual, and real-time information while responding to the users. Instead of hard coding every answer into topics, knowledge sources allows the Copilot to dynamically search, understand, and generate responses based on connected content. Alright, now where we will find these knowledge sources in Copilot Studio? Let me switch to the browser and then I'm going to navigate to copilotstudio.microsoft.com. On the left hand side, we can see the navigation bar. Let me click on the agents. There we will find the existing copilots, or we can go ahead and we can create our agent. Let me open any existing copilot, that is banking email service assistant. Let me click on that. There you can see on the topmost of the copilot we are having the navigation bar such as overview, knowledge, tools, agents, topics, and many more. Right? There we will find the knowledge sources. Let's click on the knowledge. To add the knowledge sources, we can go ahead and we can click on add knowledge. There you can see I have already added one of the knowledge source, that is public website, that is https://onlinesbi.com. Now to make you understand, I'm going to click on add knowledge, and there you can see there are different types of knowledge sources are available, such as public website, SharePoint, Dataverse, Azure OpenAI services, and many more. Now to add a knowledge source, that is public website, I'm going to click on public websites. I'm going to add a public URL for banking email service assistant. I'm going to add the RBI over here, such as https://www.rbi.org.in. Let me click on add, and there you can see we'll find the link, and the name you can see over here, www.rbi.org.in. There you can see the description. This is a knowledge source searches information on the web found, that is https://rbi.org.in/website. I'm going to add this knowledge source to the agent by clicking on add to agent. Now my knowledge source, that is public website, has been added successfully to my agent or the copilot, that is banking email service assistant. Now at the final step, if we want to get any generative answers from the Copilot Studio, in that case, I'm going to click on settings, and there you can see over here I'm having generative AI. I'm going to see over there as the orchestration, use generative AI orchestration for your agent responses. There are two options has been given. One is yes, responses will be dynamic using available tools and knowledge as appropriate. If you don't want to use generative answers, in that case you are going to select no, which is using classic orchestration, limiting responses to the content and behavior defined in your agent's topic. Now I want to get the generative answers. In that case, I'm going to select yes, and then I'm going to click on save. Now let me close the settings, and there I'm going back to my agent. Now I'm going to test my agent. Right? How can I go ahead and test it with the knowledge source? There on the right hand side you can see that option, that is test. To test my agent, the agent will start in such a way: hello, I am a banking email service assistant. It's my pleasure to serve you. How can I help you? Now to test my agent, I'm just going to ask, what is your refund policy? Let me click on that. Now what my copilot will do, it will search the websites. There you can see it will search from my website which I have given inside my knowledge sources, and it will extract the relevant information, and it will generate a natural responses which we have given by enabling generative answers. Right? There you can see the refund policy with the generative AI response. The Reserve Bank of India, because we have given the knowledge source from the RBI, has established the rules regarding the refund of notes and related banking transaction. Right? From where we got it, this information we got it from the RBI, which we have added as the knowledge source inside my knowledge tab. Alright, I hope you understand what are knowledge sources in Copilot Studio theoretically and practically as part of this tutorial.